Kuma muthenya wa gukungwira taranda mithako ya ngerekano nyimbo na marefeta kuma kuri arutwo a thukuru itiganite aria matongoretie hindi ya macindano maya mweri umwe muhituku.
The eyes are I better be blind. No, daughter. Spare me the agony.
Igongona riri riria rigutabanagĩrio thingira-ini wa IREGI rikurehete hamwe andu mega gatu mithako-ini ya ngerekano, athondeki a thinema na ikundi ingi. Mugeni wa gitio ari mutongoria wa bururi William RUTO. RUTO augite giki ni kiambiriria kieru akiranira mogaruruku sekta-ini ino maria meguteithiriria kuhura njeki ukuria wa bururi na kurunga mamwe ma maundu maria maracokia bururi na thutha ta uhaguku wa ugitiri, unyui wa njohi hamwe na dawa cia kurebia.
It's not going to be business as usual. Drama is not just going to be what we see here and then it ends here. We have to think beyond what it is.
I was very pleased to see Matuga girls here present a presentation on drug abuse and the effects of drug abuse, which we are having a big problem at the coast.
Kuhitukira muthako wao wa ngerekano, arutwo kuma thukuru wa Santa Maria ni matariirie uria uhaguku wa ugitiri urahinga githomo. Mutongoria wa bururi akiranira ati ugitiri wao ni wigiririki wa thirikari.
Listening to the girls from Santa Maria, the government of Kenya, as I undertook to the nation, is inspired to make sure that all our children go to school.
Agitugiria MONANIO ma umuthi, RUTO nioritie ministry ya ICT kurutithania wira na ruhonge rwa KICD gucabithia mithako ino niguo gutigirira thukuru ni iragunika kibeca na taranda ici.
It's not just enough to curate. It is time to digitize. It is time, and I want you to work with the Ministry of ICT. This content can actually be monetized, and it should be monetized.
Ihinda-ini riu akiuga kuri na mubango wa kwandandura iharo na nyumba cia mithako ya ngerekano kuringana na mendekithia ma kugacirithia mutaratara wa githomo wa CBC.
The ministry has already told me they are working on a master plan on the whole of the ecosystem around sports and art, so that we will know where do we have our film studios, where are we going to have our academies, how are we going to deploy our stadia, and how are they going to look.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, yetagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.